I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a credit card to your Klarna account is straightforward, and it can make your shopping experience much easier. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the Klarna app. Launch the Klarna app on your smartphone or tablet. If you don't have it installed, download it from your app store. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your login credentials to access your Klarna account. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Step 3. Navigate to payment methods. Once logged in, go to the payment methods section. This is usually found in the settings or account menu. Step 4. Add a new card. Select the option to add a new credit card. Enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Make sure the information is accurate to avoid errors. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your card information, review it for accuracy and then confirm to save the changes. You should see a confirmation message once it is successfully added. Sometimes, the app may prompt you to verify your identity through a text message or email. Just keep an eye on your notifications. Now you're all set to use your credit card for purchases with Klarna. Happy shopping!